Hi, my name is Bob Kreitz. Welcome to a K-Frame Sessions. Today we're going to talk about TDs who already have the menu application running on their PCs. What many TDs don't realize is that you can run that menu application without even being attached to a frame. Let me show you how. Here we're looking at the output of an external PC laptop that's running the menu software application. You may notice, though, that under Engineering, Status, that instead of talking to an actual frame, we are talking to an IP address of 127.0.0.1. How did we get there? Let me show you. By opening up a Windows Explorer and navigating to this specific place, we'll see that I'm going to have a choice of frame. But before you actually get this directory, it's assumed that you've already installed menu application on your laptop computer. When that menu is installed, then it will put these folders in this directory, and this is how you navigate to them. Here's the C drive, then Program Files 86, a folder called Grass Valley, then GV Switcher, and then the version software that you're running, and then this folder called Frame Simulator. Under the Frame Simulator folder, we have a choice of an X, K-frame, a S-series, or a V-series. In our case, we're going to open up the X, and this is the program that you want, the one called main.exe. Do yourself a favor and create a shortcut on your desktop so that you don't have to remember this exact navigation again. Now let's have a look at the menu. On the menu itself, we went into Engineering Setup, Status, and under Node Settings, we told it to go to this IP address instead of an actual frame. The benefit of this is that now remotely, without being attached to a frame, it is communicating with the simulator over this IP address. What are some of the benefits of doing this? Well, first of all, remotely, you can now go into an engineering setup of an existing show, recall it, and make tweaks to that show. Then you can save it, and when you arrive on site, you can recall it and run it. That's also true for user settings. You can go through and change panel assignments, change source definition, and even go to suite preferences and even do some source patching. If you have some image store work to do, that's a huge benefit as well. Without being attached to the frame, you can actually navigate into a folder that has the different images that you would like to convert, whether they're stills or movies, and convert them from disk to another disk, and then utilize them in an offline mode. We've done a video on this already, the converting of image styles. Be sure to look for it under more K-Frame Sessions. That pretty much covers how to install the Frame Simulator on your own laptop. The huge benefits are the ability to load and tweak existing shows or even create new shows. Thank you very much for joining us. We look forward to seeing you on the next K-Frame Sessions.